Hey guys, it's WADZ with the WADZ Up channel. Today we're at the BC Overlanding Rally in Whistler, British Columbia. We're walking around checking out people's rigs, so let's go talk to some people. Hey guys, we're with Al and Overlanding Kitchen.
Hey guys.
Al, thanks for having us today.
No worries.
Run us through your kitchen, your Overland Gourmet kitchen here.
Cool. Well, the whole idea for me was I wanted a kitchen I could just pull out and cook really, really quickly. And so that's what I came up with. Oh, this is hot. I just made coffee. But the whole idea is it all collapses down in really fast, and you can just kind of make food on the road whenever you want. There you go.
Yeah, that's slick.
And then you've got full extension drawer slides on all these, and they all have custom locks built in, so you can get everything right out of the back if you want. And you've got a fridge slider on this side, so you can easily and quickly get out your fridge. And then you get like a nice little cooking L when you got the whole thing set up. So you got like your prep surface, your stove, and your fridge. And it's all made out of 100% food grade stainless, so even if you want to put hot pots and stuff up on top of here, you can. I went with rivets to rivet everything together so we're not welding everything. And this kitchen you're looking at is 5 years old. It's been traveling for 5 years.
Love it.
And so the stainless is indestructible, right? Like, I mean, look at that. You can cook on it, you can cut on it.
Yeah, you could. Yeah, you could use that as a prep area as well.
Totally. I only usually carry a cutting board just because I want something to move something around with or something once in a while. But we can cut right on there and you can sterilize it and everything.
That's great. That's great. Yeah. Now, do you manufacture these?
Yeah, so we build the whole thing in Victoria, BC. And get her all produced. We've shipped 300 of them all over the world. They're in like Australia, Africa, Qatar, the Emirates, Hawaii, all over the US. And the cool thing about this design too is you keep your back seat. So this only goes to the back of the seat, so you can still carry 4 people and go on a trip, and you have an entire kitchen with you. And it's it just attaches to factory tie downs, like quick releases, so you can pull it out and put it on the shelf when you're done in about 3 minutes. You just take all the drawers out. You know, you pull drawer slides out, set them down. Yeah. Same with the fridge. It's always on drawer slides. You pull the drawer slides out, lift the carcass, put it on the shelf. Put the drawers back in it fully packed, and you're good to go.
What's stopping it from sliding around in there?
Right now, it's tied into the factory tie-down mounts. So there's 2 little quick releases that tie it in, and it kind of pressurizes it against the back seat. Yeah. So it just kind of holds it in there.
Great. Yeah, what's this going to run retail?
$25.87.
Okay.
For the whole thing.
Great.
Yeah. But it doesn't come with all the whiskey.
All right. And fridge doesn't come with a fridge.
No fridge. You put your fridge and your stove in it, whatever you want. It'll fit all the way up to like the big dual burner Coleman stoves and all that kind of stuff. There you go, man.
Yeah, thanks, man.